go as well. Another device to tear down here. Might do a test on it yet, but it seems to be well sealed at the moment. And the last sensor here, Telemechanique. Basically it's a sensor. You have something going in there like on a machine, whether it be any sort of produce, oranges, wine bottles or sultanas, apples, whatever's on the production line in the factory in particular. Something's in front of it. This is on a machine that's going to move on a conveyor, or if a tank or bin or something's filling up, this will just receive something, blocks the sensor, the platform moves up basically. There's a little reflector on the other side this thing looks at. This one in particular wasn't working. It's made in Japan. It runs off 240 volt AC or DC, there's two connections there. You get a 30 volt DC 3 amp between white and grey wire. So you got like a switch. Well, basically you got a light comes out, hits a reflector, it comes back in. Okay, there's nothing there, but something blocks it. Okay, it tells a PLC in the equipment, the machinery or in the equipment, whatever it's attached to move, or for something, a conveyor or something, I would see it stop, or whatever. However you program the PLC this talks to. And there's supposed to be a lid on here that broke off. It hinges and it clips underneath. You lift this up and it clips the lid off. But this is broken, so it just had water in it. There's been a couple of these that burnt out. One had a nice not Lichtenberg figure burnt all the way through it. It was a Pearl and Fuchs brand unit. I've been taken away, thrown out by a Sparky. This one here is thrown in my local thrown in the bin, so I thought, well, maybe I could take this and tear it down. It's a sealed unit. So I can pop this open, have a look inside. Glass fibre plastic. Very breakable and brittle, this one. It's a sealed unit, alright. I'm going to be careful how I tear this thing down. I don't want to damage it too much. I might be able to fix it if I'm lucky to show you a demonstration. It'd be nice to have it on my front door. If someone walks past my driveway, it will trigger the doorbell. That'd be handy, wouldn't it? Or maybe a booby trap. Go to a water solenoid. If a cat decides to jump on my car, or hits this, squirts it, keeps it away from my car. Very well sealed and put together. Just pop this off. Bit of elastic there holding it on. Doesn't look to be too badly damaged from moisture, but here, I'll get this thing out. It'd be nice. Give you a complete without tearing this plastic casing apart here, or breaking this bit. You get to see it all working. It'd be nice. But all nice. That's not moving at all. Got like a little power supply in there from the mains to run this thing. Little DC supply in there. You got your sensor. Make it really sensitive or not so sensitive depending on the product. Your delay time before it sends a command to the machine. Put it that way, you're not going to get so much moisture in it in theory to have it that way. So it looks like if it sits this way, it's sealed up here. As long as that door's intact, it shouldn't get moisture in it. It's pretty well sealed. That's supposed to go on there. Sitting up this way, it can get moisture in it. In theory anyway. Anyway, that's pretty hard to pull apart. Just going to pull up, lift up on this end and pull out. It might not be so damn easy. I don't want to break this thing. I'll try and see if I can fix it for a demonstration. Oh, that's not moving. Oh, that is not moving. No way. Oh, well, not moving at all. I don't want to break it. I'll probably try and wire this thing up and see if it actually works. And this light should give me an indication. If I shine at something reflective, that light should come on. I'm going to block it, the light should turn off. So it should give me some sort of an indication that it's working. But anyway, I'll have to continue this with a test later on. It'd be nice to stick it on my front door. I know if a door-to-door salesman comes. Oh, possibilities. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.